Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azari Ma'ruf. My nickname Azan. I'm from Payakumbuh. Well, I will explain a video entitled Interactive Spare Part Catalog with Basis PCG Operation. PCG is a licensed product and of thrift protection, a division of the review group with focus on the digitization of part box. PCG is an interactive catalog for an optimal ordering process. With the help of PCG, one can easily create an accurate overview of all of the ancillary spare parts of the product. This will help to optimize the ordering process and significantly reduce the time needed to find spare parts on intrusion on assembly or disassembling them. Quickwork Consultec is a sole production partner of Traverse Participants in India. We have engaged a team of people working over the digitization of part box by being on one-stop hub for TIFF catering to all the digitization requirements. The project involves high degrees of integrity and precision. The QVC team went through rigorous training of the under supervision of a thorough profession, and one of the main promoters of PCG, ML Andres Prickbrack writing production. Followed therein and the team simply added the request level of the software and managed integrity of the product. GWC undertake the well team management process prepare daily work submission report, a query that statistic and take full responsibility of quality of the project. It is ongoing the up between TRIF and GWC with select being the for short products partner. An original equipment manufacturer is a company that produces parts and equipment they may be marketed by another manufacturer. One assembly for Picon, a Taiwanese electronic company. They manufacture an equipment for other companies such as Apple, Google, Huawei, and Nintendo. The team is also seven order right a system that introduces and company subsystem at end product produce and commodity part that is manufactured by the some company. The product the original part as in the automotive assembly or valve at the resistor. Automotive part, when referring to auto part, OM refer to the manufacturer or the original equipment. There is the part assembly and assembly during the construction of a new unit. In control aftermarket, during a construction of a new unit in control aftermarket, parts are whose make be company at the when with make be installed is remain after the car comes out of the factory. For assembly is for used outlet part assembled bags. full injection and fork one English block, and when clothing I car the car restaurant includes considered the two busy wing part. Other brand worthy is in that aftermarket such as Campion Sport Plus. The better kit injector and BMW engineer Black and had many autopart manufacture the part through multi-channel for assembly to car for ignition during new influence condition to car make for ignition reset as automarket branded replacement part and to general merchandising supply chain. Any gift breadth of part can be on some which model and aftermarket on other. Thus the video is selection from me. Hopefully what I explain is useful for us all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.